Shut the up, Erica. God.
Okay, tell the story.
God, okay. Anyway, this is my story. It pissed me off. Let's start from the beginning. Okay. I was at the lake with Mom, right?
You look like a lake with Mom.
I never got that. Candace, you stupid for that. Anyway, yeah, I was at the lake with Mom with Erica. No, Chef Boy Arghetto. That's her new name.
Okay, because I can cook and you can't.
Yeah, she goes to cooking school. I can cook, okay? Top ramen on deck. No, okay. Anyway, okay, like I was saying, I was at the mall with these two and Sunny Deuce. And then I was walking, and then I done seen like the same group of boys like more than three times. So I'm just walking, I'm like, oh, alright, he ain't gonna say nothing. And then there's this fat boy walking with the group of, he wasn't fat, like he was fat, he was big. He was tall, he was big and tall. And then he had on one of those tight muscle shirts, you know, the elastic, and then he had on some cargo shorts with some tube socks and some slips, some freaking chanclas. And then I'm like, this nigga's not about to come talk to me, okay. So I turn around, and I turn back around, this nigga's coming near me. I'm like, oh my god, this nigga's coming. This big nigga's coming. And then I was like, okay. So I didn't expect him to do this. He walks up on me. He taps me. I said, did this nigga just touch me? So I turned around slowly. I said,
whether it's more interested than a steak.
Did you just touch me? He said, no, wait a minute. I looked slowly. He said, what's your name? I said, Janae. And did you just touch me? And then he was like, yeah. And I was like, okay. And I was like, yeah, okay. You better not put your mother-loving hands on me again. I don't care. It had me mad. I was pissed off. I was supposed to go back after him. He looked like a human elephant. That's right, a human elephant. I know an elephant is an animal, but a human elephant. He looked like an elephant / platypus / mongoose a GDF. A goddamn. He was like
Siamese twins connected by brains.
What else can I say? What?
They be doing that thing with my
Erica got like 15 badges, 15 and a half badges. She just be doing the most retarded shit. But
I got badges, but I be kicking for your asses. Is that on camera? No.
Anyway,
everything will be okay if you.
Erica, why your boobs look like extra big?
Because they are. That's you guys.
Don't talk so much. Don't talk so much.
We gonna dance in a minute. Just trying to get the music.
Alright, let's see the video, cuz.